Hey guys, it's James from Blue Strength and Therapy, and I'm here with my assistant Lexi. And in this video, we'll be talking about clicking shoulders along with the causes and 3 easy exercises to help correct it. Clicking shoulders is a common issue that many people experience. This condition refers to an audible sound of popping or snapping that is heard when moving the shoulder joint. This clicking can be caused by a variety of different issues, including impingement of the tendons, muscle imbalances, or even degeneration of the shoulder joint. The most common cause of shoulder clicking is impingement of the tendons. When the tendons in the shoulder become inflamed, they can rub against the bony structures in the shoulder, resulting in a popping or snapping sound. This impingement can be caused by repetitive motions or overuse, as well as poor posture or muscle imbalances. Another possible cause of clicking shoulders is degeneration of the shoulder joint itself. As we age, the cartilage in our joints can wear down, resulting in bone-on-bone contact. This can also cause a popping or a snapping sound when the joint is moved. In addition to the causes, clicking shoulders can also be accompanied by pain or even discomfort. This pain can be felt in the shoulders or even in the arm, neck, or back. In some cases, the clicking and pain may be severe enough to limit your range of motion and make it difficult to perform daily activities. Shoulder clicking can affect people of all ages, but is more common in older adults and in people who engage in repetitive motions or overuse their shoulders. Athletes, specifically those who participate in overhead sports such as baseball, tennis, or even weightlifters, are also at an increased risk of developing clicking shoulders. Additionally, people who have poor posture and/or muscle imbalances, such as excessive tension in the chest muscles, are also more likely to experience clicking shoulders. Working with a physiotherapist can help improve your range of motion, strengthen the shoulder muscles, and improve your overall posture. Manual therapy and other techniques can also help facilitate the healing process and improve your mobility and flexibility. The goals of correcting clicking shoulders are to help reduce pain and discomfort, improve shoulder mobility, strengthen the shoulder muscles, and increase awareness of the condition. Weakness of the rotator cuff muscles can also contribute to clicking of the shoulders. Strengthening these muscles will improve stability of the shoulder joint, which can help reduce the risk of injury and improve overall shoulder function. The exercises in the video are specifically designed to help strengthen these muscles. Be sure to aim for 12 to 15 repetitions or 30 to 60 seconds for 2 to 3 sets of each exercise and perform them both sides. Only perform these exercises to the point of tension and never pain or discomfort. The first exercise is the long sitting W press. This exercise helps strengthen the muscles of the shoulder and shoulder girdle and teaches you how to have them work synergistically. Sit on the ground with the legs fully extended in front of you with the strength band wrapped around the feet. Grab a hold of the other end of the strength band with the palms facing forward. Sit as tall as you can and pull the band apart, followed by pressing the arms overhead and towards the ceiling. Lower the strength band back to the upper chest and repeat. The second exercise are the mini band shoulder flexions. This exercise is another great way to help strengthen the muscles of the shoulder and rotator cuff. Start standing with the mini band around both your wrists with the palms facing each other. Pull the band apart until there is some tension felt in the shoulders. Lift the arms up until shoulder height while keeping constant tension on the mini band. Lower the arms back down to the starting position and repeat. Be sure not to squeeze the shoulder blades back and down. Instead, have the shoulder blades move naturally to encourage more recruitment of the muscles. The last exercise are the side-lying press-outs. This exercise is a great way to help strengthen the rotator cuff, specifically the external rotators of the shoulder. Start by laying on your side on a bench or on the ground. Hold on to a dumbbell with the arm closest towards the ceiling. Lift the dumbbell up so that the palm is parallel to the ground and arm glued towards your torso. Slowly press the dumbbell forward while allowing the shoulder blades to fully protract forward. Reverse the movement and pull the dumbbell back to the starting position and repeat. Be sure to always have the palm facing the ground at all times and avoid having the elbows flare outwards. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more corrective exercises, mobility drills, and injury prevention content. Please also let me know what other content you'd like to see as well. Lastly, if you're looking for a structured shoulder rehab program to follow, our Bulletproof Your Shoulder program is a 12-week rehab program that is designed to help strengthen your neck and shoulders to improve your overall mobility and stability. It includes easy-to-follow exercises with step-by-step instructions and only requires anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes every other day. It is also all done through our easy-to-use app. Click the link in the description for more information and start moving pain-free now.